Hello, my dear students of class 8. Dear student, I am Rajendra Raj, your science teacher, and I am going to continue the video that is going to prepare from chapter 15, Light. My dear students, in the previous videos, you have already learned about the intro of this chapter, Light, that reflection, refraction, incidence point, and point of incidence, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. And now in today's video you will be able to learn about the image formation of image by plane mirror. So let us know the you have already seen law of reflection, and now the optical images, you have to know the optical images in this video itself. So this is class 8 science chapter 15 light. Okay, and we will know about the images, optical means either images from mirror or images from lenses. So dear students, two types of images are there. Two types of images are formed as a result of reflection and refraction. One is real image, and another is virtual image. That I have already told you in the previous video. That real image, you can touch it. You can touch the sun rays which is passing through the convex lens and concentrating on a point on a substance, that you can touch that. That is the real image. But virtual image is formed behind the mirror, behind the lens, and you cannot touch the virtual image. Virtual image is virtual image. Okay? So virtual image is formed by the plane mirror, and here in the syllabus your learning is from the plane mirror. How does plane mirror form the image? So let us see. Suppose this is the plane mirror. Virtual image by plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. Suppose this is the plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. Okay, this is the plane mirror, and this plane mirror, this is the principal axis. The plane mirror is having a principal axis at the middle point. This is the middle point, and this is the principal axis. This is the principal axis. And suppose there is an object that is placed over here. This is the object that is placed over here, something like this. So this object, the ray will come from this object at the midpoint. This is the M, and midpoint is N, and it touches to the principal axis. Okay, so this ray will come to this point. And it will reflect at this. So this is I, this is R. Okay, this is I and this is R. And one that is the rays that may be reflect from here, that may be reflect at here, like this. Okay, so the image will be formed as a result of the extension of this ray and extension of this ray. When they meet, the image will be formed at this point, and image will be the same. Image will be of the same size at the same distance. Okay, so this is plane mirror. This is M. This is M. This is N. Okay, this is the principal axis. This is the principal axis. This one is the principal axis. So here will be the principal axis also, and this ray will be counter at this place, and this ray will be returned. This ray will be returned at the same path. अगर सीधी जाएगी तो सीधे चली जाएगी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के थ्रू, and there will be a angle will be formed which will be called C. Okay, so my dear student, the image formed by the plane mirror will be like this. So by this ray diagram you can understand the image formation by the plane mirror. And formation of image, this is the point object and this is the point object, and if the object is extended, then what will happen? अगर ऑब्जेक्ट बड़ा होता है, एक्सटेंडेड होता है, suppose there is, you should know about the another image which will be explained like this. Suppose this is a mirror. Again, this is a plane mirror, and this is a plane mirror, and this mirror is having the extended object like this. This is the object. Okay, this is the object. So this is the principal axis. This will be the principal axis. This will be the principal axis, and this ray will come at this. This ray will come at this point. This ray will come at this point. This ray will come at this point here. So what is going to happen? This ray will reflect here. This will be I, this will be R, this is the principal axis, and this is the object AB. So my dear students, here this ray will be again, another ray will come here, and this ray will be returned back. So this ray will be extended to this point, and this ray will be extended to this point, and this will be extended to this point. So image will be formed at this point, at the same distance of the same side. The image will be formed by the plane mirror. This is MM and N. Okay, so dear student, by these two ray diagram you can learn the image formation by the plane mirror, that how does the image get formed by the plane mirror. And the characteristics of the plane mirror, characteristics of these images formed by the plane mirror are: this is virtual, then mirror and at the same distance erect. These image will be erect and same side, erect and same side as compared to the object. The image is far behind the mirror as the object is okay. The image is laterally inverted. Image is laterally inverted. Image is laterally inverted. So these are the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. My dear students, another thing is, can this reflected light can be reflected again? Suppose this is the reflecting light. This is reflecting, and here there is another mirror. So what happens? This light will be this, and it will be again re-reflected. So re-reflection will be there. If that ray is incidentally touching to the another plane mirror, and on this basis, on this principle, there is an instrument which is designed, that is called periscope. Periscope is used by the personnel who are working into the सबमरीन्स. सबमरीन मतलब नीचे की जो जहाज होती है, पानी के अंदर जो चलती है, सबमरीन, न्यूक्लियर सबमरीन या कोई सबमरीन, तो ऊपर का वो देखने के लिए वो इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं, पेरिस्कोप का. सिमिलरली किल्डोस्कोप भी बनता है, तो किल्डोस्कोप आप बना सकते हैं. एंड द नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस, कितनी इमेज बनेगी वो डिपेंड करता है कि कितने अंदर जो है, हाउ मेनी प्लेन मिरर्स आर सेट इनटू दैट पेरिस्कोप. So number of images is equal to 360. 360 means चारों तरफ 360 upon angle between the mirror. 360 upon angle of mirror. कितना एंगल है? -1. तो अगर ये कैलकुलेट कर देंगे तो नंबर ऑफ इमेजेज आ जाएगी कि कितनी इमेज बनेगी. इसके लिए माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आप एक्टिविटी भी कर सकते हैं. बहुत सारी एक्टिविटी अपने घर में, बार्बर शॉप में देखते होंगे, एक शीशा लगा होता है, एक प्लेन मिरर लगा होता है सामने, एक प्लेन मिरर पीछे लगा होता है, तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट करके पीछे का हिस्सा दिखाता है जब बार्बर हेयर कट करता है. और इसी के बेसिस पर एक किल्डोस्कोप बना हुआ है. किल्डोस्कोप इज दैट इज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच इज यूज बाय मैजिशियंस. सो प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन दिखाने के लिए मैजिशियन यूज करते हैं इसको. बहुत सारे कलरफुल कुछ मिरर ऐसे होते हैं, जैसे मिरर का एक हिस्सा ये हो गया, और दूसरा हिस्सा ऐसे हो गया, ठीक, राइट, और तीसरा हिस्सा ऐसे हो गया. दिस इज द किल्डोस्कोप. इसके अंदर दे पुट कलरफुल लाइट्स, कलरफुल particles into it, and they constitute the kaleidoscope, which is for the detection of different colors inside that. So दिखता है उसके अंदर पूरा कलरफुल लाइट दिखती है, उसको kaleidoscope बोलते हैं. And my dear student, in the next topic we will be able to describe the light refraction, rainbow formation and human eye. That will be in the next video, my dear student. So till that, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you and good day.